Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very wholesome and delicious dal recipe. This is Panchmel Dal. Can anyone correctly guess all the 5 dals that go into making Panchmel Dal? Well, comment without googling, no cheating, so let me know in the comment section. The first step is to soak all the dals together, starting with quarter cup of tur dal, quarter cup of green moong, quarter cup of masoor dal, quarter cup of urud dal with the skin and quarter cup of yellow moong dal. Pour enough hot water and let the dal soak for about an hour. If you have a lot of time on your hands, you can just use regular normal room temperature water and soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. You can see the dals have soaked beautifully. It's all plumped up very nicely. So discard this water and now we'll transfer the soaked dal to the pressure cooker. Pour enough water so that the dals are completely immersed. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and just a teaspoon of oil. So just mix that in. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook the dal for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Now you can see the dal is cooked beautifully. You can keep this aside. Next we are going to temper the dal. Take a nice white kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil and about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just lightly roast them till the mustard seeds splutter. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add 2 red chilies cut into half. Add a little hing, that is asafoetida powder. Gently toss them. Now let's add all the other ingredients, starting with 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Sauté the ingredients for just about 2 to 3 minutes. So once the onions have turned translucent, next I'm going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Just saute the tomatoes till they become a little mushy. This will take about 5 minutes. Did someone in your home make Panchmel Dal in a special way? Whose version do you miss the most? Your mother's or your grandmother's? Let me know in the comment section. So you can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. At this point I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Just give that a quick mix. So I'm not adding salt at this point because I've already added some salt while cooking the dal. Keeping the flame on low, transfer the cooked dal into the kadai. Just mix it along with the onion and tomato masala. Wow, just look at that beautiful color and looks gorgeous. So if you had to add 1 extra dal to the Panchmel Dal, which one will that be? Let me know. After 5 minutes, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Also add a few crushed kasuri methi leaves. Close the kadai and let it simmer on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the dal is done. It's beautifully cooked. Finish off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just mix that in. Turn off the stove and this delicious Panchmel Dal is ready to be served. Well, dal and rice is a classic combination, and today I am serving it with long grain basmati rice. Let me know what you prefer, with rice or with roti. Well, I'm going to be enjoying this right now. Flavors are just amazing. Perfect. Everything is so perfect. And the dal is literally melting in my mouth. I can taste those beautiful ginger bits, and the spices are all well balanced. It's a very wholesome and hearty meal. I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy this. Well, you can see the dal is such a simple and easy to make recipe with beautiful flavors. So it's a very nice dish. Do give it a try, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.